Welcome back to my channel. I swear I don't always wear black, but a lot of times I'm at work when I'm filming, so therefore I'm wearing black. But I'm here today to show you how to get a faux bang without cutting your hair. I really hope everyone finds this helpful. I don't know about y'all, but I have been like dying to cut bangs, but I don't want the commitment because most days I don't even brush my hair, if I'm being like super honest. Therefore, I was inspired to create a faux bang without actually cutting my natural locks. And I really just wanted to share it in case anyone was on the same wavelength as me and needed a substitute without a commitment. Here it is. I had an old pair of extensions just lying around. They've been through hell and back. And it was a pair that I just picked up from Sally's. Typically, I'll order through Bellamy. I really love the quality of their hair, the amount of hair you get for your money, and then also just how the clips are sewn in. It's just like really good quality. I've actually already chopped one of these into a bang. Once you get your extension piece, I would strongly suggest going to a hairstylist so that she can just like, whoever your stylist is, go there, just like, hey girl, I really want a bang. She can clip it in, cut it just as she would be cutting your bangs. So it's really easy. That way you don't mess it up and then be like, okay, now what? One thing I will say with these extensions, so this is the bang that I cut. I will say that like these, with the Sally extensions, like the hair doesn't go all the way to this strip. If you order the Bellamy, like the last ones I ordered, I know, they actually had hair all the way to the clip. So it would easily like camouflage in you clip. These will not. So I would honestly just suggest probably ordering from Bellamy since that is the case. Otherwise, you're gonna have to like get this little like hair thing like tied over to cover up this strip. I'm not gonna worry about that today because I'm not wearing these all day. I just wanted to show y'all how you could do it if you wanted to. Yeah. And now we're gonna get to sectioning, clipping, and all of that. I am going to take this front section. So yeah, let me see where my hairline is. 1 to 2 fingers back. I'm just gonna pull this out also. Really hard to see through my hair right now. So right there, I've just sectioned back a clean line. Like I said, I am 1 to 2 fingers. I have a widow's peak, lovely. So I'm 1 to 2 fingers back right now. And what I mean by 1 to 2 fingers, width-wise from my widow peak, I am 2 fingers from the side. I am 1. How crazy is that? So I'm gonna clip that out of my way right now. And you want to get all of this to the side. You don't want a super thick section, but because of how this like goes back right here, I need at least that much to clip the bang onto. So this I'm just gonna have to kind of camouflage. So cute. So it's really simple. These have clips right here. And you're just gonna make sure it's centered and secure the clips. Now you do want to get as close to your hairline as possible because you can see kind of how that natural hair is like falling underneath and it's under the bang, the corner of the bang. So I'm actually just gonna tuck that piece, drop this down. You could secure that with a bobby pin if you wanted. So like I said, I've tucked those pieces from the initial hairline just so they're not hanging under the short pieces. I would secure those with a bobby pin. I'm being really lazy right now. I'm not getting up to go get a bobby pin. So yeah, don't judge me. So after you have dropped your hair down, you'll just want to kind of comb your bangs just to make sure that they're laying well. You now have bangs with no commitment to the chop. As always, thank you so much for coming by my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share with a friend because you could probably save your friends from a lot of trouble if they are tinkering with the idea that they want to cut bangs, but you know that they can't commit to that, and then you're going to hear them complain about it for 6 to 12 months. So be a good friend.
One giant leap for womankind.